So a couple things I want to talk about was the accessory pack, which is basically all these adjustable fixtures so that you can manipulate the tubes any way you need to, flat, square, round. You've got a lot of options. Basically, it's how creative you can get. So this accessory kit, though, basically we're looking at here, and what's on the table here is a WJT-AK43. Cool thing is, my initials, so it's pretty easy to remember. And that's what you see here. Obviously, this is expandable. You can buy as many as you want. And then also, you can make some things that work on this at home. So this is completely adaptable. And also, it's pretty quick. So one of the first parts are some of the longer sections. Obviously, we can slide the collar up and down to make it fit whatever we need to fit. There are 45 straights and 90s on it. For rapid, tightening, they can put like that. We can turn it and put a lot of leverage on it if we need to. Some of the quicker stuff where we're putting a part in, we're welding it and then taking it back out. We're going to do this repeated over and over again. This may be not the right option for it, so we can run another clamp style like this, and this is all included in the WJT-43AK, is the fact that is all these different clamping options. The next thing is that it's not just limited to this, but vertical clamping as well. So if we have a part in here, then we need some repeatability. Obviously, we'll bring up another part as a backstop on it, and then we can clamp the part like that. So it's really infinitely variable how many different ways that you can fixture the parts.